How can you add a card to the Apple Watch? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. First of all, you need to go to your iPhone wallet app, and if there's like a transit card or a credit debit card, whatever, you at first need to add it to the iPhone. So once you set it up successfully on the iPhone, we can move over to the watch app of the Apple Watch, but on the phone, and in there just scroll through the apps and go to the wallet. So it's wallet and Apple Pay, and there are going to be some cards available which you can add right away. You will be able to see them, right? You can also tap on add a card, but the point is that you need to be using a passcode for your Apple Watch. That is like a requirement, meaning that if you don't use passcode already, you have to set it up at first, and then you'll be able to add the card. But again, it's the one you had to add at first on the iPhone, and then it can be moved over to the watch as an extension. So a lot of people use Apple Pay and some different perhaps transit cards or some different access cards which can be added to the wallet, but it has to go through the passcode protection. But that is how you can add it. I would really appreciate your comments and your feedback if you actually manage to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching. Just make sure you don't miss tutorials and sort of videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.